Hi everybody, it's Cobb's going to be making some spaghetti today, and going to do it a little different than normal, okay, because everybody usually use a big pot and you put it in the freaking hot water and you like get it, 30 minutes in the hot water and stuff, but I'm going to do it a little different today. Since it's just me, mostly eats the spaghetti. The roommate, she doesn't usually eat spaghetti, so I just make a small portion for myself. You can make enough. The way I'm going to do it, you can make enough for 1 or 2 people, but I'm just going to make it for myself, and I'm going to show you how I make that spaghetti. Okay, let's get started on that, and I'll show you how I do it. Let's get started on this spaghetti. How am I going to make it here? Okay, so I got my spaghetti, okay? It's about, I say about 20 pieces, okay? 20 pieces, and what I'm going to do is just break them right down the middle, close as I can in the middle, okay? There's a few little pieces that fall off, but that's okay. So I got 20 pieces of spaghetti right here. Well, you know what? I'm going to do it on the big one because I don't think I got enough room to do it on the small one. So we'll do it on the big one. A few little pieces, but those don't really matter that much. So we'll do it on the bigger cutting board I have here. I'm just going to spread them out like that. And I'm going to get some olive oil. And I'll put it on my little brush I got here. Not too much. Not too much. Just a little bit. And I'm going to brush it onto the spaghetti. It's kind of easier probably. If you got more room, you can just leave your spaghetti nice and straight, and get my olive oil on there. So I got my olive oil all on there, kind of mixed up a little bit. I'm going to let it sit there for a while in the olive oil, and we're going to show you what we do after that. Let's see, I got a piece of paper here. So there's the spaghetti is got olive oil on it. We're going to set it over to the side for a sec. And we're going to work on the sauce now. Let me see. There's what I'm looking for. And got a Hebrew National hot dog, which I'm going to use. And they're kosher, and they're made out of good beef. So I think they taste the best. Just gonna cut up in little pieces. And we're gonna drop them in the pan. Make sure they're all separated. We got that. Now I'm gonna rinse off my hands. Don't want to contaminate the cheese, okay? See, where's my towel? And now, I don't really need the knife right. Well, yes, I will need the knife one more time. Okay, so we'll do this. Open up the cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese. Here, there we go, Houston. So I'm going to sprinkle some cheddar cheese in there, just a little bit, not a whole lot. I'll take my trusty little brush here, put some more olive oil in here, and just push it around, get it on the cheese, get it all over the pan. Okay, so we got the olive oil, cheddar cheese in here. And we're gonna take, like mushrooms, so I'm gonna put mushrooms in here. Just about a teaspoon of mushrooms, okay? I got that in there. Let's see, what else do I need? I got spinach there, I'm not ready for it yet. Push this around a little bit more. Maybe few more mushrooms because I really like mushrooms myself. So I got mushrooms in there. Swish them around a little bit more with olive oil. Make sure the olive oil gets on everything, the cheese and everything. Okay, so we got that. And let me see. Where's my favorite little spoon? I thought I had it. Let me see. Maybe I'll put it in here. Well, I did something with it. I have no idea what I did. That's the problem when you get old. You start losing things left and right. Oh, there it is. My favorite little spoonful. These pans, so you don't scratch them. It's about, probably about a tablespoon. Okay, so I'll put the sauce in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's about 6. I'd say it's about 6 tablespoons. Monte tomato sauce is what I use. Okay, so I got that in there. Oh yes. Look what we got here, some more mocha. That's good, chocolate. So we won't need any more of that right now. And what are we going to do next? I like spinach, okay? What I'm going to do is, got to rinse my hands again. Can't contaminate my spinach. Don't want that cross-contamination on my spinach. So, I'll put some spinach on this little cut board. It's pretty small. It's not very big. Should have used a big cut board, but I got the stuff where they're sitting on it. So I'm just going to cut it up a little bit because I don't need it so big, you know. I don't want to cut the counter or nothing, so I'll just use the tip of the knife. Keep your fingernails turned back so you don't cut your fingers off. This stuff shrinks up anyhow, so I'm not going to cut it real fine, but alright, so got all that. Got it. So we're going to put that in there. It's kind of funny, the last video I did, I told everybody to subscribe that would like to subscribe and see more videos and back and watching the videos. 2 people unsubscribed, so I got less people. That's okay. I guess they didn't like my last video, so that's the way it goes. Anyhow, yeah, mostly I do this video stuff because I come up with these ways to cook things, and I got like 27 cooking videos now, I think, and so don't forget how I cooked it, you know, because when something tastes good, you kind of want to keep it around, you know, and so make a video. Best way to do it. And then if you forget how to cook it, you know, you just come back later and okay, that's how I did it. Easy way. You don't have to write nothing down or nothing. So the whole ingredients is on the video. Just go back and watch your video. Okay, I'm gonna put this spinach back into the fridge. So I got this out of the fridge, and I'm gonna put a little bit of Louisiana hot sauce on there, okay? And that's gonna be the next ingredients I put on here. I'll put that in about a teaspoon. It's all the hot sauce I'm gonna put in it. And I'm gonna stir this up. So we got our garlic, a little bit of hot sauce, our spinach, our kosher hot dog in there, all beef, and we got cheese in there, and we're going to do one more thing. We're going to add a little more cheese. There's not quite enough cheese in there. We got all the ingredients for the sauce now. Stir that up a little bit. All right, so that's looking pretty good. Smells really good. That garlic and the hot sauce. Okay, so we got that all ready. This is gonna go in the air fryer, and I'm gonna cook this in the air fryer for approximately 9 minutes at 370. I'm not gonna start it yet. I'm gonna get my spaghetti. It's been sitting here with olive oil on it, so I'm gonna put that into our rice fryer. Okay, this is a rice cooker, I should say, not fryer, but anyhow, I'm stuck on the air fryer over here. That's okay. So I'm putting this in the rice fryer. I'm gonna put some water in there, fill about halfway full with water. Once we get done with the water, we'll close it up, let it cook in the rice fryer until it's done. Which I don't know exactly how long that takes, because it has a little light, and the light turns on and off when it's done. So, and make sure you got enough water in there. Just fill it up to the level of on the cup on the rice fryer. They have a level for water, so I just filled up to that level. And I'm going to close up the rice steamer, not fryer, keep calling it the fryer, steamer, and turn that on. I'm going to set this 370 for 9 minutes. Take the time down to 9 minutes. Once again, I'm at that altitude of 3,000 feet, so wherever you're at, you probably cook at a different temperature and less time, more time, whatever you need. Well, that's what I do here. So anyhow, we got that going, and I'm going to clean off some stuff, pause the video, and I'm going to come back when it's all done. And when it's all done, we'll go ahead and there I am. When it's all done, we'll go ahead and put it on a plate, test it out, see what it tastes like. So, a little TV magic gonna happen here. Okay. Right, we got it all cooked up and stuff. We're gonna take the sauce out. Like I said, I cooked the sauce for 9 minutes, and then I put it in for a total of 4 more minutes, for a total of 12 minutes on the sauce, okay? And this is what the sauce looks like right now. It looks pretty good. And the spaghetti is done. It's inside the rice cooker. Get it out. Woo, we got some water coming off of there. It's like hot. Steam is hot, so be careful with that. Okay, so now I have the grabbers here. Let me clean these off a little bit. Turn off the grabbers. Stuck them in the pan when I took it out. That's okay though. Let's see what that spaghetti looks like. I'll take it over here to the sink and drain off some of the water. Get all that water off of there. Definitely don't need that. And you can use a strainer and strain it off too, but I just do it this way. One more thing I'd have to wash. Wash. Like that's all you get done is wash the dishes. Yeah. So the noodles are all done, or the spaghetti I should say. Pretty much like noodles anyhow, but look at them. Look how nice they are. Turn out nice. It takes about 25 to 28 minutes at this altitude. If you had a lower altitude, it probably wouldn't take as long, but look how those noodles turned out. After putting put the olive oil on there, and they hardly ever stick together or anything. Look at it. So soak them with a little olive oil before you cook them, and come out a lot better. Now for the sauce. Sauce looks great. I'm just gonna dump it all on there, just like that. Now I got my sauce on there, and the pan's gonna clean it up real nice. I'll set that down here. There you have it. That's the spin on making spaghetti the Cobby way. The only way you're gonna learn it is if you watch the whole video. Don't watch the whole video, you'll leave something out, and it won't quite taste right. And we'll check it, make sure it still tastes good. This is only the second time I made it this way, but who knows, somebody else probably already made it this way too. But this is the way I did it, the Cobby way. Boy, oh boy. Whoop, earthquake. Sorry about that. I'm telling you, that's some good tasting spaghetti. So when you cook the sauce, you want to let it set in there, cook for 9 minutes. Then you shut it off and let it just set. So that lets all the flavors come together in the sauce. And then when you cook it the last 4 minutes, after your spaghetti's done, which takes about 25 to 28 minutes at 3,000 feet, so less altitude, less cooking time. And boy, this is good stuff, I'm telling you. It's really good. And those kosher hot dogs really taste good in it. And then I got the spinach in there, that tastes really good. Mushrooms, a little bit of hot sauce makes it really good. Garlic. And the spaghetti's is great. Come out great. You cooked in the, man, perfect. Everything's perfect. So, thanks for tuning in, watching the video. Hope you try out the spaghetti. Tastes really great. And come back and we'll make a lot more videos. Check out the ones I've already made. I think I got like 27 cooking videos right now, and a bunch of other different ones too, because I just do it on whatever. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Keep watching my videos. Thanks.